Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can downgrade an app on Android without losing your data. So downgrading an app on Android usually means uninstalling the new versions, but this only apply to the in-place app such as Chrome, YouTube, or Gmail and other applications. So to downgrade or uninstall updates on Android, you can just go to settings on your Android phone, scroll down until you find the app settings, this one. Then just choose the apps in here. For example, let's try YouTube Kids. Okay, there's no options in here, or let's click on see all apps. Here I'm going to just try on Chrome. Okay, so now on Chrome in here you'll see the three dots icon at the top right corner of the app info, and there will be this option uninstall updates. So you can just click on that options, and after that your application will be downgraded or will be back to the old versions. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next one.